Start by turning the dust cover counterclockwise. Next, you'll want to disconnect the wiring harness from the bulb. You will then want to turn the bulb counterclockwise and remove it from the housing. Now grab your LED bulb and insert it into the housing. Turn clockwise to lock into place. Next, reconnect the wiring harness to the LED bulb. Now secure the dust cover by turning clockwise.